Today is the day where I'm going to replace the lower shift cable for OMC Cobra, and it's very hard to do by myself, so I have Andy, a good friend of mine, come and help me. I'm going to jack up the trailer, so in order for the outdrive, so I can lower the outdrive so it's straight, because when I put it back in, that's going to be a lot easier than as if it's tilted up. There's Andy. Good morning. I'm tilting it up so we can get down so we can get a clear. It's going down, right? We can get it up in and out straight. Is this something you have a use for?
Dang, that thing comes out there a lot easier than it was back then.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Now the position of this one here is important. It is facing straight back, and some of these kits came with an alignment tool. I didn't buy that, but
we got it in there last time.
Yeah. So we're going to loosen up this here, and then tilt this one up. Okay. All right. And under here, see the wire? Mm-hmm. You see the cable, and that's the reason why it will pull,
but it won't push.
But it won't push to get it in reverse.
Yep.
So what we're going to do is to just snip
this right here?
Yep, cut that off, and then loosen the nut that's on the inside of here, which is a little hard to get to, but it's easier to after we snip it. Yeah. And then
this just pulls
that
straight through that hole.
Right. So that's it. Stainless steel is tough. Okay.
There you go, right there.
So what was that? 19 millimeter?
Yep.
All right. There's no room for extension, I don't think.
You want to have a 19 millimeter wrench?
Might. 18.
In theory, that works.
It won't reach.
This one's way long. You know, it's in there and you use it. Okay. As long as you put it back, you use whatever I got.
Yeah, of course.
I have, there's all kinds of tools in there here. You just kind of have. Take it loose anyway.
But the problem is that it already turned several times when he unscrewed that.
No.
Yeah,
this is.
Yeah, it did. When you turn that
This was turning also?
Yeah. And this one It's moving nicer than I expected.
Yes. I said those. I think it's just a cable.
Yeah.
I really think it was just a cable that. Those cables bind up when they get gunk in them.
So the tape is going to help guide it. So
now come all the way down to here.
yeah. So if I pull on the inside and you push on the outside. Yep. Yep. All right, so I can't see you. So you gotta yell at me whenever you want to stop. Push it. Pull it away. Okay. Okay, it's out. So you think since it's rubber hose inside, you think it will be beneficial to
Tape the little.
no, well, to grease it so it slide on the rubber.
Maybe. But it's. Oh, there's a rubber hose inside there.
Yeah, that's how we channel it all the way through. I suspect that there's probably at the transom end there's a turn, there's a kink. You know, not accidental kink, but normal kink. And then
Can't be too.
and then it's if the cable is coming in the kink and it won't. So if you have grease on it and turn it at the same time, it will come along.
Now the only problem is it's really slippery.
There you go. I don't think so. Alright, so we have changed in plans. So instead of doing like we initially tried to tape it and push it through, we're going to try out Andy's smart little theory here now. So he's
going to work.
He's going to push from this side and I'm going to pull from the inside.
And it's going to go in.
It's going to go in, right? Alright. I'm going to try to grab a hold of it in here and pull it out. Okay. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay, that worked out good. Okay, that's all we're going to do. We're going to push it back so I can fit it into the hole where we thread it. So I got to take this one here off again. Kept that. We can put this one on to grab onto, so I wouldn't mess up the thread or anything. And now this one here, gonna thread it in through that hole right there. So I'm gonna put a little bit of a bend on it.
You're going to put some grease on it first.
Yeah, we're gonna put grease on it and bend on it, and then one of us is gonna try to screw it in from this side, and then one other person is gonna be on the inside turning the cable to make that possible. Put some thread. Before we put the outside on, we're just gonna pump some oil or grease in there.
I guess I should have put some gloves on.
Yeah.
Tip to anybody that's going to try this, wear gloves.
Right, and we have the gloves right here.
A little late for those now.
Yeah.
The problem with brass is getting it started without stripping it.
Right.
There it goes. Keep twisting. Try not to wiggle it, but just keep twisting it. Like, try not to pull on it, but just twist the cable. More. It's coming. There you go. Keep going. It's working. So it is definitely threaded. Oh yeah, it's going in the threads very smoothly. All right, I'll pick up the pace a little bit then. I was a little concerned for Is there I just moved the motor down, so it's flat, so it should eliminate one of the turns. All right. It's not going anywhere now. No, I think you bottomed out. Bottomed out? Yeah, it's already threaded in. Yeah. Now you got to get a wrench on it and tighten it up. Some kind of way. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, good. Look at there. Right. Oh, don't tell me that. Does that need to be on it first? Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to loosen this up and pull this way. Yes, yes. Andy is here helping me with our outdrive and getting that shift cable back on, and hopefully we can take it out for a spin this afternoon. Yeah. Alright, so now before we put the outdrive back on, after doing all that, we put more grease in here. I'm going to smear that in as much as I can and cleaned up this one here. And over there we got the gasket on already with a sealer. Mm-hmm. There you go. In already? Yeah. Wow. I've done this before. Yeah. Okay. So what I just did, I forgot to film it, I took this one here off of the old one and slid it on the new one here just to kind of seal some of most of splashes water. And it's not got to be 100% waterproof, but keep most of the water out. And then need one of those nylon ties on here and on here. Okay. And it's restricting it further.
Right, and you need to pull it further.
This is forward, this is far, this is good, forward.